Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to post then and now pictures on Facebook using the built-in Memories feature. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and go to the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll and tap on Memories. This is where Facebook shows your past photos and special moments. Once you're inside, look for the option called Then and Now and tap on it. But on my device, it directly shows the Create post. I will only tell you all the steps on how to post it. Now you'll see two frames, one for your old photo and one for your recent photo. Start with the old picture. Tap on the first frame and select a photo from your Facebook Memories or phone gallery. Once selected, tap Add Photo, and it will be placed in the frame. Now do the same for the recent photo. Select a newer picture and add it to the second frame. After both images are added, Facebook will automatically create a then and now comparison post. Now just share it to your timeline, and your post will be live. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to post then and now pictures on Facebook. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and creative post tutorials.